Hey guys, welcome back. What we're looking at today is the Note9 Curve Elite Tempered Glass Screen Protector. I love it, but at the same time I hate it, and you'll find out why later on. Now look, these are all the features of the screen protector which I'm sure everybody reads, but I won't be. It's a glass screen protector, simple. Let's get to opening this box. This is one reason why I love this product. They give you everything in the box that you would need to install it, even that red application tray which many manufacturers don't include, but it does help. So in this box we have the screen protector, obviously, the application tray, dust collection sticker, wet and dry wipes, microfiber cloth and a squeegee of some sorts. Now these Elite glass screen protectors are a tad different to the old glass curved ones they did. Only really for phones with curved displays like Samsung's. I believe the iPhone ones are still almost the same. So the old glass curved models for the Samsung S8, Note8 and I'm sure many more of the older phone models used to only have adhesive on the edges where the black bezel is. You might be thinking, well, what's the difference? Well, this caused the whole display of the screen to just be kind of floating above the screen display, usually reducing sensitivity and allowing dust to gather underneath. These new Curve Elite screen protectors usually have the adhesive or glue, whatever you want to call it, throughout the whole display. This should help with screen sensitivity and stop dust gathering up inside the gap between the screen and the protector. By theory, this should make a huge difference. So let's get my Note9 out and install this beast. As you can see, it's very clean. I will give it a quick rub down and get it as clean as it's needed. As you can see on my phone, I've left the factory film screen on the front. Why, you may ask? I really don't know. So let's start preparing this phone for the installation. This process I hate the most, as I'm very specific when it comes to even one speck of dust on the screen. I have to take it off and that usually results in more dust, unfortunately. But preparation is the key. If you want a good outcome, you need to spend the most time making sure it's prepared properly. And this is where the time goes.
3 hours later. Six and a half hours later. Six months later.
That's good enough, I think. As you guys can see, with the application tray, it goes on very easily. Now this is the reason I hate this product. Because of the curved screen, it takes ages to get the bubbles or air gaps out. Bear in mind, I am having to press quite hard for these bubbles to leave.
Just then.
Because I pressed so hard on the edges to release the bubbles, it cracked on me. I don't know if this was a design flaw or I just got a bad unit, but I feel like this shouldn't have happened this easy, or am I wrong? Let me try and replicate that for you guys, as you didn't see it the first time. I'll do it on the other end of the phone where there are no cracks. Look how easy that cracked multiple times. Is this normal, or did I get a defective unit? I suppose it's a good thing they offer lifetime warranty with these, as I can see a lot of people having these issues. Well, I might try request a replacement and try this again sometime, but for now I'm not impressed. If any of you guys have had a different experience, leave it in a comment below. I'd love to hear what you did differently. Thanks for watching. If you can, like, subscribe and comment what your thoughts are. Did I do something wrong on the installation? I don't know, you tell me, and I'll see you in the next one.